How to use Revo Uninstaller to fully remove programs from your PC. First, head over to RevoUninstaller.com, then, click on the Downloads tab. Now, you should see three versions: Freeware, Pro, and Pro Portable. We are going to use the Freeware version. But if you like the program, you may consider purchasing the program to help the developers. But for now, click on the free download button to continue. Now, your download should begin. Once it's finished, click on the download to start the installation. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device to continue. Here, I'm going to minimize my browser window. Now, select your desired language. Then click OK. Now, accept the terms of service, then click Next. Now, choose where you want the program installed. I'm just using the default location. Then, click Next. Here, you can choose to make a desktop shortcut. Then click Next. Now, you can review what the installer will do. Then click Install. Next, click Finish to launch the program. Now, just wait for your programs to load. For this demonstration, I'm going to uninstall Malwarebytes. Right-click on the program and select Uninstall. Next, make sure the Make a System Restore point is checked. Then click Continue. Now, Revo Uninstaller will use the program's uninstaller first to uninstall the program, then it will look for leftover files and folders as well as registry information. Next, I'm going to go through uninstalling Malwarebytes. The uninstall wizard finished. Next, I'm going to close the Malwarebytes uninstall pop-up page. Now, we have three choices on how to scan for leftover traces of the program. Here, I'm going to select Advanced, then click Scan to continue. Here, you can see the registry entries left over by the uninstaller. Next, click Select All, then click Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Here you can see a list of files and folders the uninstaller left behind. Again, click Select All, then Delete. Now click Yes to confirm. Some things may be left until you restart your PC. Next, click OK. Now, click Finish to exit the uninstaller. And you're done. You just fully uninstalled a program using Revo Uninstaller. Don't forget to reboot your PC. Thank you for watching and have a great day.